New Galaxy S23 leaks appears to further confirm the custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Even though we are less than a week away from the launch day, Galaxy S23 leaks keeps on coming in. This time, a leak seemingly confirmed the chip that may be used in the flagship and a camera downgrade for the Ultra. Reliable leakster Ronald Cordon took a Twitter today to show off the new images. These two images seems to further support what we have heard about the S23 lineup. The first image Cordon revealed looks to be marketing material that appears to reiterate the fact that Samsung is using a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Specifically, it's an image that a Qualcomm chip will be branding Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxies. This news comes only a day after different leaks suggested that the chipset would make it all global model of the lineup. The second image of the quadrant shared a comparison list that offers a side-by-side look at the three models. Something interesting that can be gleaned from the image is that the base model seems to be hanging in there pretty tight with the other two variants. Specs like brightness, storage, and refresh rate are similar across the board. As far as what's shown here, the base model does appears to make a big compromises compared to its sibling. The biggest difference is the size, battery capacity, and the Ultra 200 megapixel shooter. Speaking of the cameras, this leak also confirms the support what we expected of the Ultra selfie camera. It appears that the downgrade from 40 megapixel to 12 megapixel this year is real. Also, we have got some other detail about the raw photography of the S23 Ultra, which has been shared by Advan, who is sharing some of the details about the camera samples for the S23 Ultra, and he has shared some 50 megapixel raw photos which are looking incredible. Other than that, some more materials has been leaked which confirms that Samsung is mainly focusing on the camera department, particularly the night photography is going to be the highlight of the show, and most of the material that has been shared included the cameras samples both from the day and the night. Particularly the night is going to be the main focus of the Samsung event. And you guys, another good pre-order deal for the S23 series will probably going to be the memory upgrade, which means that if you buy the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 256GB variant, it's going to be automatically upgraded in the pre-order period to the 512, and you don't have to pay the 512GB variant pricing. Just the 256GB will give you the 512 variant. Now, for the pricing wise, the S23 series could disappoint you if you are not living in the US, because the pricing for the span Germany, Australia, Korea, and even India has been revealed, which gives us an indication that the pricing of the next generation S23 series will be higher than the last year just because of the inflation. But the pricing in the US will remain the same as last year S22 series. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.